Hi guys, it's me Sundar Khan and today we will be unboxing the 2020 MacBook Air. I am so excited for this one guys. This is like my first MacBook ever. So I decided to do the unboxing with you guys. So let's see. Hopefully I'm able to open this box. This is how, and I ordered it in space gray. Oh my god, guys! Look at this. So I just took it off, guys. This is so light. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this aside right now and see what's in the box, and then we can go ahead and open it up. I'm just gonna keep this here. So this is how the box look like. We have this this cord, USB cord, and then we have this notebook, like which has all the information that I'm pretty sure nobody reads. Oh, and they also give like space gray stickers, so that's cool. This is the notebook, and then I believe this is the charger. It also came with like the packaging. I really like it that they have secured like everything. So this is how it comes off, and then this is the charger. Nice. So this was all what was in the box, and now I am going to open up the laptop and show you guys how it looks like. So I'm just going to open this and then it will just come off like this. I'm so happy. Okay guys, so now I'm going to open it up. I have to like select the country, so I'll just use Canada, and then I'm just going to hit continue. Oh my god guys, when I'm using it, it just feels so smooth. I love the keyboard, I love the touch. So now I'm just going to go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi. I hope I remember the password. I'm so bad. Okay guys, so I changed the angle so you guys can see better. So it's asking if I want to transfer my information. Right now I'm gonna say no. And then it's asking me my Apple ID, so I'm just gonna log that in and see what it says next. And after it asked me my ID, it's gonna like send you a code that you have to type this in. And then after that it's saying if I agree, and then I'm just gonna click here. And now it's asking me to like create a computer password, so I will do that and see what's next. Now it's asking me if I want to use my iCloud keychain on this Mac. I would just click set up later right now. And now it's asking me if I want to enable the Find My iPhone thingy, and yes, I want to do that. For my series, I just have to repeat whatever it says. I'll just continue. Okay, one cool thing about MacBook Air is that I can set up the Touch ID as well. So just like how we do it on our phones, I just have to keep doing that, so I don't have to like type in my password every time I try to log in. Okay. So that's cool. Touch is ready, so I'm just gonna click on continue. So it's gonna do our thing. Okay guys, now it's asking me which color I want to choose, so either light, dark, or the auto setting. So I'm gonna go with dark. Nice. Okay guys, so now it is all set up. Yes, and look at this beauty. I love it. So this is how thin it is, and it looks absolutely stunning. I'm gonna take care of it like a baby. And that is pretty much all for today, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.